Magandang araw. So, welcome to Math 171 Calculus 1 for Engineers, student activity sheet number 15. And the lesson title for today is the derivative of exponential and logarithmic functions. And our lesson objectives are to define and state the properties of exponential and logarithmic functions and to find the derivative of exponential and logarithmic functions. Okay. So, ano ba muna yung tinatawag natin na exponential and logarithmic? So, yung tinatawag natin na logarithmic, ito yung may log. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, si exponential and logarithmic kasi sila yung magkabaliktaran. So, kumbaga, kay exponential, kapag nagbigay ka ng exponent, halimbawa, like for example, we have um, what do you call this? X is equal to b raised to y. Okay. Ngayon, gusto mong baliktarin. Okay, may base ka, pero ang gusto mong makuha is ito. Like, for example, ilang beses mo i-multiply yung base mo para makuha mo to, yung answer mo. So, ibig sabihin, baliktad sila. Si y ngayon is equal now to the logarithm of x to the base b. Okay, so yun yung sinasabi ko na magkabaliktaran sila. So, kung gusto mong makuha yung isa dito, pwede mong gamitin sa logarithmic. Okay? So, when we say common logarithm, ibig sabihin your base is 10. Okay? At kapag yan ay 10, madalas hindi na natin nilalagay. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, pag di ka naglagay ng base sa logarithm mo, ibig sabihin, considered as yung base mo ay 10 agad. Okay. And meron din tayong tinatawag na natural na period logarithm, wherein ang base mo naman ay yung e. Okay, so di ba sa calculators may e. Okay, so yun ay ginagamit din. Okay, so that is the natural na period logarithm. So, pag na naman ang nangyari, kung halimbawa na ang base mo sa logarithm mo is e, pinapalitan na natin siya. Kaya tinawag siya na natural logarithm. So, instead of mahaba pa na logarithm of x to the base b, sinusulat na lang natin siya as ln x or ln x. Yan din ay nakikita sa mga calculator ninyo. Okay. So now, dito sa inyong module, pinapakita rin that the logarithm of e to the base 10 is equal to m. Okay? So, the modulus m, ibig sabihin, constant yan. Meron na siya agad value. Okay? So, yan ay actually nakasave din yan sa calculus. Okay? And then, ganito naman, kapag naman logarithm of 10 to the base e, yan ay reciprocal ng modulus m, which is equivalent to 2.30259, etc. Okay? But, that is just the reciprocal wherein 1 over m. Okay? So, yun lang din naman. There are properties of logarithm natin. Okay? Ang isa sa property natin dito is that, ganito. Pag ang nangyari na ang itsura ay meron kang logarithm of a raised to x to the base a, ibig sabihin, kumbaga parang pareho lang sila, diba? So, this is equal lang daw kay x. Bakit? Okay, ganito ang nangyayari. Because this one, kapag meron kang ganyang itsura, yung x na yan, binababa natin. Okay? Binababa natin siya. Nilalagay natin siya as log x log of a to the base a. Of course, this one is just equal to 1. So, ang matitira na lang ay si x. Okay, so yun siya. And another one is that kapag dating naman kay exponential, pag kay exponential, meron kang a raised to logarithm of x to the base a. This is also equal to x naman. Okay? So, yun yung mga properties din na dapat kabisado rin natin. Okay? So, another special case, what if loan naman? Pag may natural logarithm tayo, so ganun din. Ln of e raised to x is equal to x. And e raised to ln x is equal to x. Okay? So, here are the laws of exponents. Actually, nagagamit na natin yan. Diba? So, if you are applying this one, multiplying a same base but different exponents, ang gagawin natin ay plus yung exponent. And then, if you are dividing a same base but with different exponent, you minus. Okay? You subtract. But if you have a base with an exponent and another exponent, nagmo-multiply na yung mga exponent. Okay? So, it is a raised to m multiplied by n. And, next naman natin, kung meron kang dalawang base sa iyong loob ng parentheses with an exponent, you distribute the exponent. Okay? Same goes with the fraction. Okay? So, laws of radicals, naturo ko na rin naman sa inyo to. So, gano'n lang din naman. Okay? But, what about the laws of logarithms? So, halos the same lang din. Okay? So, if you are getting the logarithm of mn, or you are multiplying, pag pareho sila, ganun, so you plus. Para lang siyang sa laws of exponents. Okay? Then, kapag naman nag-divide, you minus. Okay? And then, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo that kapag meron kang, ano to, exponent, binababa. Okay? Binababa siya, p log of n raised to b. With to the base b. And then, kapag naman ito, ayan, then, katulad ng tinuro ko kanina, it is equal kay 1. Kasi, di ba, syempre, kukuhanin mo si base, b raised to 1 is equal to b. Okay? So, kapag inayos mo siya sa exponent. Okay? So, now, what about the derivative? Okay, so ito, another na naman nakakabisaduhin. But don't worry, medyo madaling naman din siya. So, derivative of logarithm. So, derivative of logarithm ng u with to the base a is equal to, you get the derivative ng u with respect to x, and then you divide it by u. Then, multiply by logarithm ng e to the base a. Okay, so, kumbaga parang kukopyahin nyo lang din naman ito. Magiging log e to the base a. Okay, but what if your a or your base is 10? Okay, so ibig sabihin, magiging logarithm of u to the base 10. So, same pa rin tayo. Magiging, kuhanin mo yung u, kuhanin mo yung derivative niya, then divided by, sulat mo si u, then logarithm of e to the base 10. Same pa rin dito. Kaya lang, take note that logarithm of e to the base 10 is equal to m. Okay? M. And that m is equal to 0.43429. Okay. So, pwedeng si m na isulat natin. But, ito pinakamadali if you are getting the derivative of ln u. Okay, pag kay ln u naman, you just get the derivative of u, then divide it by the u. Okay? So, para mas maintindihan natin, let us have an example. So, we have logarithm of 5x minus 7 to the base 10. Okay. So, we have y is equal to logarithm of 5x minus 7 to the base 10. So, di ba sabi natin dyan, get the derivative of u. Ano ba yung u natin? Yung nasa loob ng parentheses. Okay, so you get the derivative of 5x minus 7. It is 5. Over, sulat mo yung mismong u, which is 5x minus 7. Then, again, logarithm daw ng e to the base. Ano yung base natin? It is 10. So, sulat lang natin. But, again, logarithm of e to the base 10 is equal to m. Okay? So, kung ito ay equal kay m, papalitan lang natin siya ng m. Okay, so saving. Pag-antayin natin. Okay, so since this is just m, papalitan lang natin, magiging y prime is now equal to 5m over 5x minus 7. And that will be your final answer. Okay, so as long as alam nyo yung formulas, hindi naman siya ganun kahirap. Okay? So what about if this one? Ln of x squared plus 4. At sinasabi ko sa inyo na madali lang. Y is equal to ln of x squared plus 4. So sabi natin, y prime, to get the derivative of u, ano yung u natin? Yung nasa loob ng parentheses. Derivative ng x squared is 2x. Derivative ng 4 is 0. Over, kopyahin mo si u, x squared plus 4. And that will be your final answer. Okay? Next naman natin, this one. Differentiate y is equal to ln of 2x minus 5 over 3 minus 4x. So, dito medyo mahaba, pero actually meron siyang another solutions. So, ito, pakita ko sa inyo agad yung pinakamadali. Huwag niyo itong gamitin. Mahaba pa ito eh. Okay, quotient rule pa yan, diba? So, ang gagawin na lang natin dito is to use the yung properties. Okay, so we have y is equal to ln of 2x minus 5 over 3 minus 4x. Diba sabi natin kanina sa logarithm, kapag ganyan na may naka-divide, palitan na lang natin siya ng pag ma-minus. Then we have ln of 2x minus 5. Then, u minus the ln of yung nasa denominator naman, ln of 3 minus 4x. Okay, so mas madali siya, diba? So, let us proceed to getting the derivative y prime. So, since this is a ln, derivative ng ln is du over u. So, ano ang derivative ng 2x minus 5? 2. Over, kopyahin mo si u, 2x minus 5. Then, minus. So, derivative naman daw ng, ito, ano yung u natin dito? 3 minus 4x. Derivative ng 3, 0. Derivative ng negative 4x is negative 4x over, kopyahin lang natin yung u natin, 3 minus 4x. Okay? Then, pag ano'y na lang natin siya, pagsamahin natin, combining them, anong kalalabasan? So, this one, since negative and negative, magiging positive na siya. But, i-cross-multiply na lang para maayos na siya. Okay? So, we will be getting y prime is equal to 2 times ito, 3 minus 4x. Then, plus na siya, di ba? Then, ito naman, 4x times this one, 2x minus 5. All over, yung nasa ilalim natin, 2x minus 5 multiplied by 3 minus 4x. Okay, so kahit di na natin yung nasa denominator natin, kahit di na natin yan pahabain pa. Okay? But, yung nasa taas, iayos natin siya. So, we just distribute 2, okay? And then si 4x din, okay? Para okay siya. So, we will be having 2 times 3 is 6. Minus 2 times 4x is 8x. Plus 4x times 2x is 8x squared. Then, minus 4x times 5 is, ano yung nakuha natin dito? This is 20x. All over 2x minus 5 multiplied by 3 minus 4x. Okay? Then, ano pa? Okay, guys natin. So, by combining them, we will be having May mali ba tayo sa naging ano natin? Parang wala naman, diba? Okay, so combining like terms, we have y prime. Y prime is 6 minus 8x minus 20x pag pinagsama, 28x plus 8x squared all over 2x minus 5 times 3 minus 4x. So, ano ba ang nakuha dito? I see. Okay. Alright. Kaya may mali tayo. Okay. So, this is not negative 4x. This is just negative 4. Okay, so ito siya. Kaya tayo nagkaroon ng problem. So, 4 times 2x is 8x. Then, this is negative 20. Okay? So, burahin natin to. Okay? So, we have 6 minus 20 is negative 14. Wherein, negative 8x, positive 8x, cancel, cancel. So, we have y prime. And this will be your final answer. So, the same lang din naman sa nakuha sa module. Okay? So, example 3a is just chain rule. Okay, medyo mahaba lang siya. Pero, kaya naman. Kailangan lang talaga natin tsagain kung ano yung mga binibigay dito. Okay? So, next naman natin is this one. Find the derivative of y raised to x. Uh, derivative of y is equal to x raised to x. Okay. So, a function involving many factors or a function having both variable base and the variable exponent. Okay. So, dito, ang gagawin lang natin is that kapag may nakikita kayo na ganito, na base mo, same yung variable, na meron din doon sa exponent niya, you can use the natural logarithm to the both sides. Okay? So, like for example, dito, we have y is equal to x raised to x. You get the ln or the natural logarithm of both sides. So, lagyan mo lang siya, ln of y is equal to ln of x raised to x. Okay. So, di ba meron tayong property na kung saan kapag ganyan, yung exponent ay ibababa. Di ba? So, ibig sabihin magkakaroon tayo ng ln y is equal to x ln of x. Okay? So, use the derivatives. Ln y, ano natin doon? We have y prime over y. Then equals, okay, so x and ln x is a product rule. Tama? So, una, kay x muna tayo. So, using product rule, si x as constant. And then, ln of x is, ang ln of x natin? Derivative ng x is 1 over yung u natin, which is x. Yan. Then, plus, si ln x naman ang ating constant. Then, derivative ng x is 1. Okay. So, by simplifying this, we have y prime over y is equal to, okay, this one. X, meron kang x sa labas, may x ka sa baba. So, cancel, cancel. Pero hindi yan makakancel as 0, ha? Magiging 1 to, diba? So, ibig sabihin, this is 1 plus ln x. Okay. So, therefore, y prime is equal to y, okay, this is y multiplied by 1 plus ln x. So, kumbaga, parang si y dito, lilipat lang natin. Okay? So, bakit x ang nakalagay dito? Actually, this is x raised to x. Parang pinagpalit lang natin. nilipat lang natin si x raised to x. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, this is y prime is equal to x raised to x, 1 plus ln of x. Okay? So, yan yung ating final answer. Now, let us move to the derivative naman ng exponential functions. Okay, so this one, another formulas. Okay, so consider the exponential function. Y is equal to a raised to x. So, ganun yung ginagawa natin. We use the natural logarithm. Okay, so that is the explanation kung bakit nakuha yung mga ganitong formulas. Okay, so sa chain rule natin, we have the derivative of a raised to u is equal to a raised to u ln of a multiplied by du over dx. Okay? So, isa to sa kakabisaduhin. The next naman natin is kapag ang base mo ay si e. If the derivative of e raised to u, okay, with respect to x, this is equal to e raised to u, then get the derivative of u with respect to x. Okay? So, yun lang. Let us now proceed to the derivative of the given function. So, derivative nito, letter A. So, we have y is equal to 5 raised to 2x. Okay? So, sabi natin dito, y prime is equal to, kopyahin natin yung a raised to u mismo. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kopyahin mo lang kung ano given, which is 5 raised to 2x. Then, dagdagan mo ngayon ng ln ng a. Ang a natin is the base. Ano ba yung base natin? 5. Ln of 5. And then, you get the derivative ng exponent. Exponent yung u natin, diba? So, the derivative of 2x is 2. Tama? Okay. But that 2 should be multiplied by, yung nasa, saan natin siya ilalagay? So, this one will be multiplied by sa loob. Okay, sa lahat. Alright, so we will be having y prime is equal to 5 raised to 2x. Hindi mo pwede i-multiply si 2 kay 5 ha, kasi meron siyang sariling exponent. So, si 2, i-multiply natin kay ln 5. Okay? But, diba, meron tayong property na, like, for example, sa logarithm na, like, ln of base raised to a, si a, binababa natin. Diba? Nagiging a ln of b. So, dito, pwede rin naman yun. Baliktarin mo. Si a ngayon, itaas mo. So, pwede natin siyang ilagay as y prime is equal to 5 raised to 2x, then multiplied by ln of 5 square. Okay? So, this one can be your final answer. Okay? So, next naman natin, ma'am, paano po kung halimbawa nagkaroon tayo ng trigonometry? So, same process. Okay? Ganun pa rin naman. So, let's try this one. We have y is equal to e raised to sine of x. Okay? So, sabi natin, y prime, okay, kopyahin ulit kung ano given, e raised to sine x, and then you get the derivative of u. Ano ba yung u mo? Yung buo. Oh, sorry, not that one. This one. Si sine x. Okay, so ano bang derivative ni sine x? It is cosine x. And then, diba sa trigo, we get also the derivative ng x. Ano ba derivative ng x? It is 1. Okay? So, by simplifying this, we will be having si cosine x, unahin na natin, magiging, and si 1 lang naman yan. So, we have cosine x e raised to sine x. And that will be your final answer. Okay? So, ayan. Kapag ganito, use the chain rule. Okay? So, chain rule o kaya naman ay product rule. Okay? So, but then dito, we have cosine e raised to negative 4x, then exponent is 4. Okay? So, hanap tayo ng iba pa. This one. We have find dy over dx if y is equal to x squared plus x raised to 4 e raised to ln x raised to negative 2. Okay? So, copyin lang natin. We have y is equal to x squared plus x raised to 4 e raised to ln of x raised to negative 2. Okay. Eh, di ba sabi sa atin kanina na kapag meron kang e raised to ln, okay, ito na lang yung kukuhanin natin. Makakancel na to. So, ibig sabihin, matitira na lang sa atin y is equal to x squared plus x raised to 4 multiplied by x raised to negative 2. So, pag pinagsama natin, this is y pa lang. Y is equal to x squared plus, okay, so this is multiplication, pero i-add lang natin 4 plus negative 2 is x squared. Tama? 4 minus 2 is 2. So, combining them, matitira sa atin, y is equal to 2x squared. Hindi siya x raised to 4 ha. Pagsasamahin natin yung kanilang coefficient. So, therefore, if we get the y prime, do the derivatives. Derivative ng 2x squared is 4x. So, that will be your final answer. Okay? So, huwag kayong matakot kung medyo may pagiging komplikado yung mga tanong. Okay? Kasi sabi nga natin, maraming solusyon. Okay? So, for this one, these examples na remaining ay ibibigay ko sa supplementary videos. Ang alam ko parang nagawa ko ito. Okay? But then, madalang naman din kung lumabas. Alright? So, with that, thank you for